Hello everyone, this is Nitin here. So I just come up with a very exciting watercolor tutorial of this motorcycle. Uh, so this motorcycle is going to be in one single color, which is black. So I hope you'll enjoy this tutorial. And I just want to share very exciting news about is that this painting is going to be in t-shirts. So you can see this print of this watercolor tutorial in your tees, so you can access that t-shirt. This is available in teespring, and you can check t-shirts, hoodies and the kids t-shirts with a different color. A lot of preference about the specific t-shirts, hoodies and the kids t-shirts. So I hope you'll enjoy this. So let's go ahead with this tutorial. So as I always do, very basic skeleton sort of sketching of this motorcycle. So you'll have to do a lot of practice of such sketching. It's a very free flow sketching, which doesn't require much effort. It's just a kind of direction of your watercolor. Alright, so we have almost done this sketch. So there's a lot of depth and the kind of the texture we wanted to have. So we have already established here. So there's a lot of beautiful texture of the pencil, which adds on a different values. So it's always to have. A lot of people are saying to remove that, or how should I erase that? Not required, just keep it that that has its own flavor. So let's go ahead in painting the first layer of this, and we will be completing most of the thing as as a first layer. So this is I'm doing just because I want to give a little bit of a background of it. So I don't want to work much here. It's just given a little bit of the feel of having the background. As I said, we will be working on this motorcycle using black and the various the tint of the black, the grays, the lighter black, the depth. So this is how it will start. The interesting fact about this exercise is that it tells you how much water you should have. So you'll have some sort of dryness in your brush. So most of the time we'll be using as a dry technique here, and just overlapping on the the strokes of the pencil. Sometimes it doesn't allow you to paint on it because the graphite, the lead, has the very slippery feel of it, and that doesn't allow you to paint over it. But yeah, in this case we are just being overpowering on it, and we just wanted to make sure that I should have sufficient amount of the depth into the painting. So currently I have a little bit of water on my brush. I'm leaving wherever I feel, leaving the white. I'll stop painting there. I mean, I'll not put any color on that because intentionally I wanted to left it because I wanted to keep it as a white, right? So currently I'm working on the mechanical part of this vehicle this motorcycle. I really don't know. I'm really not good at these this motorcycle parts. What does it call that? But I enjoy I enjoy riding the bike. I have bike which I ride very oftenly. So as I said, so here I'm just using a lot of color into it, less water, and that is why I have the the dryness in the brush, and it gives a very excellent texture of this. So as I said, this is going to be as a t-shirt print. So I hope you will check out the Teespring website where you can buy this print. So you have an option to choose from what you want. It's an hoodie, t-shirts from premium range to basic t-shirts, and multiple color option. So please check that. I've given a link in video description. But as of now, this print is going to be available across United States and Europe. But very soon Teespring is going to expand their services globally. So I'll happily share a lot of good print, t-shirt prints, and the posters, and every aspect of the sharing my art across the world. So I hope you'll see a lot of work coming up in coming days. So here again, as you can see, I'm not spending more time figuring out the detailing of this this tire and the spoke and everything. So I'm just giving a very random work. So this gives you a very interesting freedom. You feel very free. So I'm just using a little bit of water sprinkling on it, so it gives a very interesting texture, and these spokes and all. It's a very random because these has their own value. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. I really want to see how you think about this video, and I really want you to go through this video again and again and try to learn from each texture I made. And I request you to please browse through these teas, and if you want to place an order for you and yourself and your family and friends, you can do that. So thank you so much everyone. I hope you'll enjoy this video. I'll come with a new video very soon. See you. Take care.